Tyson. Wanna say hi, YouTube? Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Okay. You get out? Okay, good boy. Boy. This stuff works. You comfy? Good? Okay.
Smack it in the air. Clap, 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 clap it. Put up, my foot up. Hold up, now my foot up. I'm spinning, my foot up.
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Kiana. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. While you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you do not miss out on the party. Anyways, hey y'all. It's been a minute. I'm a little upset at the Starbucks by my house because they did not have straws. So I had to improvise. Luckily, I always have straws at home and at least my white mocha tastes good. First of all, this is the hair that I had in my last video and it's still going strong. I had it in for about 3 weeks, 3, maybe 4 weeks. And I took it out, washed it and put it back in. And the hair itself is still beautiful, you guys. Still cute. So it's still the same Amazon hair that I had before. If you guys like this hair and are interested in it, it is from an Amazon seller, and I will leave my review about this hair in the description box below. Yeah, check that out after you watch this video. Anywho, guys, so today I am doing a review on the Saweetie edge control. I always knew she had an edge control line, but I never ran across it. And then when she announced that she was going to start selling it at Walmart, I went to my local Walmart and found some. I think she's got quite a few flavors. Like she's got quite a few different scents. I believe they're all the same edge control. They're just different scents. But when I went to my Walmart, they only had 2. They only had the red one and then this like rose gold one. So when I realized that they were the same edge control, I just picked up the one that I liked better, and it was this one. But the edge control is called Edge Fixer Glued, and it says maximum hold, and it is in the fragrance Sweet Peach. So number one, this packaging is like so cute and girly. They have different ones. They had like a red one, like I said, that's the one I saw in the store. They had this one. I think I saw a purple one, a green one, a blue one. She had a lot of colors as far as I remember. But I think even if I saw all of the different types she had, I probably still would have picked up this one. I'm just really drawn to like rose gold stuff, and so this is really cute. So yeah, and of course I smelled it before I bought it, and it smelled so good. Like I said, the fragrance this one is Sweet Peach, and it smells so good, you guys. And when you put it in your hair, you can smell it throughout the day. It smells really good. So anyway, I know you guys are like, how is she gonna do an edge control video and her edges are not even laid? Y'all don't judge me. Y'all know I got to do a demonstration for you guys so you can see the process and the magic and all of that. So anywho, I bought it from Walmart, and I believe that they had it for sale for $3.69. Not a bad price for a jar of edge control. And this is 30 milliliters or 1.01 US fluid ounces, if you guys wanted to know how much edge control you get. So I'm going to show you the inside of it. Obviously I've used it a lot. It has a little thing here and you just take it off. It comes with it. So that's what the inside looks like. Obviously I've used it a lot. So yeah, comes on like that, comes with that. I just always put that back on there. I don't know if you need it, but I always put it back on there. And then I think that was just the protective seal that I just put in there, but I just keep it. I don't know. don't know if you're supposed to or not. I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna do the best I can because I don't have a mirror in front of me. So I'm just gonna do the best I can to kind of show you guys what I do to lay down my edges so you guys can see. This stuff works really well, probably a little too well for someone like me. I like to do my edges every day. This stuff lasts a really long time. It's a little too strong for me. But if you are looking for like a really strong hold on your edges, then I would suggest getting this. I'm not so much looking for that with my edges, but to each his or her own. But that's not a bad thing for what this product is, because clearly it says Edge Fixer Glued. That's how strong this stuff is, and the stuff will last. Like I said, it's not a bad thing when I'm saying that. It's just not for me, and you know, so I have to be honest with that. So I do still use it. However, to alleviate the problem of it sticking to my hair too much, I actually mix it with a little bit of Let's Jam. So yeah, like I said, this stuff is a little bit too strong for me and what I need. However, if you need a strong edge control, this stuff will not disappoint you whatsoever. Because there's been times where I've actually used this, went to work, sweated at work, went home, went to bed, no bonnet on, and woke up the next morning and my edges were still laid. So that should tell you something. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I achieve my edges. I'm gonna do it with the best of my ability because, like I said, I don't have a mirror in front of me. So I'm just gonna take some of the edge control. You guys know the trick I taught you, scoop up, because you don't want it to get under your nail if you're wearing fake nails like me, because then it will mess with the glue and make the glue come off and make your nail fall off. So we're just gonna scoop up about that much, and then we're gonna put it on our edges. Just smear it on our edges. I'm gonna put my hair back so it won't get in the edge control. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some of the Let's Jam Extra Hold. For some reason, when I mix these two together, the Edge Fixer isn't so harsh on my hair. So anyway, you really don't need that much to kind of break this other edge control up. So I'm gonna take about that much there. Y'all hear my dad's dog growling? I don't know what he's growling at. Anyways, I'm gonna take about that much there, not a whole lot. And I'm just going to lay it on my edges like so. Just a little bit, right? And then the excess that I have here, I'm just gonna put on my kitchen. That smells good too, but not as good as the Edge Fixer. So now, after you have put the product on your edges, I'm gonna just use a regular orange comb, but the thin side. Well, most people I see like to use actual edge brushes. I don't really care for those, but I have a few, but I don't really care for them. This works for me, so this is what I use. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges down. You can lay them however you want to. I just do a simple kind of thing. I hope these look all right, because I'm not using a mirror, I'm using my phone. All right. Okay. Same thing on the other side. That's basically how I do my edges. They're not, the stuff isn't dry all the way, but if you were to just use the Edge Fixer by itself, it dries pretty quickly because I can already feel that the edges are already like drying up. So that's a good thing. Yeah, I'm not putting too much pressure on it, but even with the jam in my hair mixed in, I expect this to last all day, and it does. If you go to work and you sweat and it's the middle of summer, your edges will be pretty good. Your edges will be pretty good when you get home. So yeah, this, I would definitely recommend this if you are looking for something strong. But if you're not, if you're like me and you don't want it so like harsh, do the little trick I did and mix it with a little bit of Shine and Jam, like basically dilute it to kind of, you know, alleviate it feeling so much like glue. But yeah, this stuff definitely does the job. It definitely does what it says it's gonna do. So I would definitely recommend it for my natural girls out there. Like I said, but like I always tell you guys, I'm transitioning, so I'm not all the way natural yet, but I'm getting there, and I'm really excited about my little journey that I've got going on. So yeah, if you have trouble with your edges staying laid, yes, use this. If you're like me and you're like, not so much, but I still want laid edges, mix it up with a little jam. Trust me, it's the best thing. So if you guys have any questions about the product or anything like that, just leave them down in the comment section below. You guys know that I always try to answer you guys, and let me know what you guys want to see next. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. Bye.